For millions of women, it's an agonizing and embarrassing problem, cellulite, and we're all looking for a good way to make it go away. Well, now that way has just been approved by the FDA. We're going to show you how.
Fox 31 Denver's Good Day, Colorado.
Well, almost any woman on earth will tell you getting rid of cellulite can be a futile, never-ending struggle. 85% of women over the age of 20 have it, and now a new treatment just approved by the FDA is offering hope of a permanent solution to this pesky, unsightly problem. Fox 31 Denver's Tammy Vigil is getting your questions answered about Cellulaze.
You may know it as cottage cheese, orange peel skin, or hail damage. Whatever you call cellulite.
I hate it. Cellulite is just not a pretty glamorous thing.
This Denver woman wants to banish the bumps. And it's so embarrassing she doesn't want us to identify her.
Well, it's a vanity thing, for sure. I mean, you know, nobody wants to see those god-awful dimples on your leg.
So she's visiting with a plastic surgeon at Vital in Cherry Creek, one of the first in the country to treat cellulite with a device called Cellulaze.
And now we have a treatment that is truly revolutionary. It draws upon technology that's never been used for this kind of problem.
And doctors tout it as a permanent solution because it attacks the structure of cellulite with just one visit.
The laser releases the fibrous bands that pull down on the skin and create the dimpling effect.
Video from the company that makes the laser shows it at work under the skin. This graphic shows the laser heat the skin and melt the fat. Then the laser breaks the connective tissue that pulls down on the skin to create the dimples. The laser then stimulates collagen to increase skin's thickness and elasticity. Check out the results in these before and after pictures.
Our understanding of cellulite has just come about in the past 10 to 20 years. The technology has just caught up to our understanding of what we need to do.
Doctors say historically treatments for cellulite have been pretty poor, especially cellulite creams, which are $1 billion a year industry. The problem is the creams and other therapies treat only the outer part of the skin, not the structural problem of cellulite under the skin.
And that's one of the big problems with aging is the skin gets very thin and loose. So this device attacks that looseness and that thinness underneath the skin.
This 54-year-old has battled cellulite since her early 30s.
I work out 4 or 5 days a week, and it doesn't matter what you do. I don't think it works well to solve the problem.
But now an apparent answer to smooth, vibrant skin and to feel confident wearing just about anything.
You can wear those short shorts that they come out with in the fashion magazines.
Tammy Vigil, Fox 31 Denver.
Okay, don't get your hopes up just yet. Cellulaze costs between $5,000 and $7,000 per treatment area. An example, both of your back legs are considered one area. The procedure requires a local anesthetic. It takes about an hour and a half, so not very long. Doctors say their first patients treated 3 years ago have maintained their results, but the FDA says its decision was based on 3 months of data, so it describes the results as a short-term improvement. Or you could just go out and go for a run, exercise, and that doesn't cost you $5,000 to $7,000.
Well, like that lady said, she had exercised a long time, but she just wasn't able to get rid of that. So some people are in a situation where they can't.
Yeah, I don't know, $5,000 to $7,000, it's not cheap. All right, all about fancy footwork on the net this morning.